Most of us have written essays at some point in our lives. But have you ever wondered what the correct format actually is? Today, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to write a perfect essay, and we'll use a real topic as an example. Are we becoming too dependent on AI? Step 1. Introduction. Let's start with the introduction. Your introduction should do these three things. Introduce the topic, give some background, end with a clear question or statement. For example, artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, has become an essential part of our daily lives. From voice assistants and recommendation systems to self-driving cars and automated tools, AI is present almost everywhere. It has made tasks simpler, faster, and more efficient. However, as we continue to depend on AI for even our basic activities, an important question arises. Are we becoming too dependent on AI? See what we did there? We introduced the topic and ended it with a question. This helps build curiosity among the readers. Step 2. Positive outcomes. Next, we move to the body paragraphs. Start with the positive side. Here, you explain the advantages of the topic. For example, AI has got many benefits. It saves time by automating repeated tasks and allowing people to focus on creative work. In education, it provides personalized learning, and in healthcare, it helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. It also makes everyday life easier through navigation apps and virtual assistant. This makes our reader get a positive impression of the essay, which is why we present the positive outcomes before the negative ones. Step 3. The negative outcomes. Now, write the opposite side, that is, the disadvantages. For example, despite its benefits, over-dependence on AI can cause problems. People may stop thinking independently and rely too much on technology. It can also lead to job losses and raise privacy concerns as personal data is often collected. Moreover, if AI fails, people may struggle to manage without it. This shows the balance with the positive and negative outcomes of the given topic in our essay. Your opinion. After presenting both sides, add your own opinion. This is very important and examiners love this part. For example, in my opinion, AI is a useful tool, but it should be used wisely. We should not let it replace our thinking or creativity. Instead, it should support us while we stay in control. This is where our voice comes in. Step 5. Finally, end with a strong conclusion. Summarize the essay and give a final thought. For example, in conclusion, AI has both advantages and disadvantages, which makes our life easier. Overdependence can create challenges. Therefore, it is important to use AI responsibly and maintain a balance between the technology and human intelligence. So, you should make the conclusion short and impactful. So remember, a perfect essay has the introduction, positive points, negative points, your opinion, and conclusion. Follow this structure perfectly and you will easily write an essay on any topic efficiently. Try writing your own essay using this format and let me know how it goes. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more useful videos.